गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। आज हम दो एग्जांपल स्टडी करेंगे फॉर जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन। पहली रिएक्शन है बिटवीन हाइड्रोजन एंड क्लोरीन टू मेक HCl गैस which takes place in the presence of light. So it depends, its rate doesn't depend on the concentration of H2 and Cl2. That is why it is called zero order reaction. Its rate depends only on the h nu, that is the number of photons, or we can say it depends on the intensity of light, okay, or number of photons per unit time. तो इसका 3 स्टेप्स में हम इसको दिखा सकते हैं। फर्स्ट इज द चेन इनिशिएशन स्टेप। यहाँ पे हमारा क्लोरीन जो है वो फ्री रेडिकल्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट और एनी लाइट। देन चेन प्रोपेगेशन, ये जो है चेन प्रोपेगेशन दिखाया है हमने, वेयर Cl डॉट free radical will react with hydrogen to make HCl and another free radical H dot. This H dot will react with Cl2 to make HCl plus another free radical Cl dot. And then there is a chain termination step where Cl free radicals combine to form Cl2, hydrogen free radicals combine to form H2, and hydrogen and chlorine, that the free radicals combine to make HCl. So its rate, if I write the rate, that is equal to K, because it is independent of concentration of hydrogen and chlorine. So this is a zero order reaction. एक और एग्जांपल हम ले लेते हैं, that is the dissociation of ammonia at high pressure on platinum catalyst surface. So this reaction is also zero order reaction. 2NH3 gas at very high pressure in presence of platinum catalyst gives N2 gas plus CH2 gas. This dissociation of ammonia takes place at very high pressure. So this catalyst platinum gets saturated with ammonia gas. So its rate is equal to K, which does not depend on the concentration of ammonia gas. और ये जो है हमारा बेसिकली कैटालिस्ट जो है वो सैचुरेट हो जाता है अमोनिया गैस से. सो इट्स रेट विल एक्चुअली डिपेंड ऑन द free sites available for further absorption of the gases, that is ammonia gas, on the surface of catalyst. So it is independent of the concentration of ammonia because it is under very high pressure. So the catalyst gets saturated with ammonia gas. I hope these zero order reactions are now clear to you, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.